Hello everyone, this is Dr. MiteshGala. Welcome to Rough Book, a learning companion.
We're going to do exercise 14C, equations of a line. In the previous video we did 14A and 14B. Just a quick recap. In 14A, if you remember, the line was given to you, that means the equation, and they told you whether a particular point, let's say in this case 0, 6, if this point lies on this line or it does not lie, you have to find. Then they said it lies and find one of the missing variables. Do you remember that? Yeah. The second exercise where we worked upon, they asked us to find the slope. So two methods to find the slope. One was inclination, and using the inclination using tan theta, and second is 2-point form. So in this case the second point is minus 4, 0, and we said y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Yeah. So just mentioning it over here, one is inclination with tan value. So if inclination is 0, tan is also 0. 30 degrees 1 by root 3, 45 degrees 1, 60 degrees root 3, and 90 degrees not defined. If numbers apart from this were there, we went behind into the tan table and got the answers from there. Then getting the slope by 2-point form. 2-point form. Under 2-point form, what we do is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, where 2 points, coordinates of 2 points are given to you. Now we are getting into the third exercise. So two major things. Now we are going to actually find the equation of a line. Equation of a line. So in these two exercises, or rather in first exercise, the equation was given to us. Now we are going to find the equations ourselves. So first method is called as a standard form. Standard form, what does it say? It says y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is your slope. M is your slope and c is your y-intercept. What do you mean by y-intercept? Y-intercept is the point where the line goes and hits the y-axis. So in this particular case, the line is hitting the y-axis at 6. So not 0, 6, but only 6 becomes your y-intercept. Do you understand? So if I tell you y-intercept is the point which intersects the y-axis, which is 6 in this particular line case. What about x-intercept? Can you tell me what will be x-intercept? Superb. X-intercept is minus 4, not minus 4, 0. We are not asking the entire point. Only the point where it intersects. That is only minus 4. That's it. So x-intercept is minus 4. Y-intercept is 6. Will you remember this? So we got the second method to find out the equation of the line. And first method. The second method to find the equation of the line is called as point slope form. So what is this point slope form? Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So here x1 and y1 are the point that is given to you, and m is the slope. X and y are variables which you are not going to substitute. For example, in this case you can pick up either this two coordinates or these two, that is 0, 6 or minus 4, any one. You pick up and write it in the place of x1, y1. Any one, not both. Any one and x1, y1. M will be the slope which you can calculate, and then once you substitute, automatically what you get is the equation of the line. Since here we are using one point, only one point is required, and the slope, therefore it is called point slope, and this is called standard form. Please note, in the standard form you have y-intercept, but you don't have x-intercept over here at all. There will be some sums where they will tell you x-intercept is so and so and y-intercept is so and so. Find the equation of the line. Then what you must do? So for the last part, equation of line, this is basically connected to the previous one only, where 2 points are given. This is nothing new. What will you do? If 2 points are given, let's say 2, 4 and minus 3, 2. Then you take both the points, use this 2-point form and find the slope m. So first you find the slope m. Once you get the slope, take any one point. Let's say if I take 2 and 4 and then use point slope form. See, I am giving you the equation format how to solve these sums. So once you get the slope using point slope 2-point form, take any one point and now slope and point, slope and 1 point. So point slope form. If you use this, you can get the equation of the line. Are you getting it? So if they tell you x-intercept, y-intercept, x-intercept let's say is 4. If x-intercept is 4, or let's say in this case x-intercept is minus 4, what is the point? Point is minus 4, 0. If y-intercept is 6, what is point? Point is 0, 6. So you can get 2 points. Once you get 2 points, find the slope. Take any one point and take point slope form and get the equation. So in nutshell, I have given you the entire exercise. See how to go about it. Take a printout of this, put on your softboard. This is going to help you throughout this exercise. So let's hit it, guys. Sum number 1, everyone on your own. Y-intercept is given, slope is given. How are you going to find the equation? So y-intercept and the slope. Can you use this? Hit it. Come on, pause your video. Y is equal to mx plus c. Hit it and get me the equation. So y is equal to mx plus c. Y is not this y. This is y-intercept. M is 3 and c is 2. Y-intercept is this alphabet c, remember. So you got your equation 3x minus y minus 2. Try always writing it x, y equal to and the number format. That's one of the better methods to present your equation. The next one, you've been given the slope and the point. Find the equation. So now what are you going to use? Point slope form. What is point slope form? Y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1 is 4, slope is minus 4 by 3 and x minus x1 is minus 3. Come on, hit it, get me this answer. So 3y minus 12 minus 4x, this is going to be plus 3, so again becomes minus 3. So 4x I am getting this side plus 3y and 12 going on that side becomes positive, therefore 9. So that's your equation ready for you. Did you get it? Can I just check so that I don't teach you anything wrong? 4x plus 3y equals to 0 they've got. 14c, yeah, we got 9. So we messed up somewhere. So let's recheck. Let me check if I have copied it correct. Minus 3 by 4 and minus 4 by 3. So 3 going on the other side. 3 4s are 12. I messed up here. 4 3s are 12. Correct? See, I didn't multiply this. And then 12 coming this side becomes 0. So one small error and see the entire sum is messed up. I'm keeping these mistakes, not editing them, so that you know how mistakes occur and how can you verify them. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Sum number 5, part 2. 2 points have been given. Find the equation. I already told you. First find the slope by yesterday's last video's technique. Once you get that slope, then use any one point and point slope. So let's find slope first. So slope m, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So I am taking 0 plus 4 and 3 plus 1. So 4 by 4, slope is 1. Once I got the slope, therefore equation of line. Now use point slope form. So y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1. Take any one point. I am considering this point. So 0. Slope is 1 and x minus x1 3. So y minus 0 is y and x minus 3. So x, y going on the other side, 3 coming on this side. We got the equation. I am just checking so that I don't teach you wrong. It's correct. Got it, guys? How many got this on their own? So by now, in nutshell, you already know everything. One more thing you should add over here is that if the lines are perpendicular, then m1 into m2 is -1. Remember that. That's a major thing which you're going to use very frequently in this exercise. 7 full sum. A and B are 2 points. Find the equation of AB. So same technique what we used just now. First find slope and then point slope. Then we look at the second part. So first for the slope m. So y2 minus y1. So I am taking 4 plus 1 minus 3 minus 2. So I get 5 by minus 5. Minus 1 is the slope. And now equation of line. So that will be y minus y1 mx minus x1. So any one point, I am considering the second one. So y plus 1 because minus minus plus. Minus 1 x minus 2. So y plus 1 minus x plus 2. X coming this side, 1 going on the other side. I got the equation. Just checking. So 7 part 1 x plus y equals to 1. Correct. Now once you got this, second part. Point where the line AB intersects y-axis. Where does the point intersect y-axis? At y-intercept. So use this in that standard form. that is y is equal to mx format. So minus x plus 1. So y is equal to mx plus c format. What is c? 1. So that is your y intercept, right? So therefore you say y intercept is equal to 1. So therefore point on y axis will be 0 comma 1. There are two methods to solve this. First method is what we just now did, and the second method is even more interesting. So what is the second method? You say since the point lies on y axis, it is 0 comma x. Substitute 0 and x here. Automatically you'll get the value of 0 comma y. Substitute 0 and y here. Let's see, 0 plus y 1. So y is 1. Since y is 1, put that over here and you get the same answer. So two methods, whichever you feel you are easy with, you use that. Either use standard format or say point on y axis, so 0y, and substitute. So here you're using the first exercise. Okay. Next, 8. 8 is diagrammatic question. All diagrammatic questions are easiest ones. Okay, they are easiest ones. Don't get scared. They have given you two lines A, B and C, D. They want the equation of both, and they have given you the inclination. So inclination will help you to find what? Slope. Perfect. So first we'll say for AB, slope of AB will be tan 45. And what is tan 45? 1. So you already got the slope, and one point on AB is P, which is known to you. So now it's very simple. Use point slope form. You remember point slope form? Just now we did y minus y1. Perfect. So now equation of line. Pause. Come on, try on your own. Stop copying. Y minus y1 mx minus x1. Slope is known, point is known, substitute. So y1 is 4, slope is 1, and x1 is 3. So I'll get y minus 4, x minus 3, x minus y going on the other side, this coming here, so minus 1. So I got the equation of AB as x minus 1, x minus y equals to minus 1. Perfect. Likewise, let's work out for CD. So first, get the slope. So slope for CD is tan 60. Tan 60 is root 3. So we managed to get the slope for CD. Now once you got the slope, let's work out the equation. So equation of CD, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So y1 is 4, slope is root 3, and x1 is 3. So I'll get y minus 4 root 3x minus 3 root 3. So root 3x minus y minus 4 plus 3 root 3. Leave it like that. Don't get into decimals or anything. Not required. This will be accepted in the board. So we got both equations of AB and CD. Yeah. Let's go to the next one. 10th. Come on, everyone on your own. Pause the video, read it, see what you understand, and then come back. ABCD is a parallelogram already given to you. This angle is 60. Find the equation of BC and CD. Now BC and CD. So first for BC, we'll have to calculate the slope, and point C is given to you. So one point is known to you. Get the slope. Once you get slope and point, what are you going to use? Point slope form, because you need a point and the slope. So first let's get the slope. Slope of BC will be equal to slope of AD because both are parallel. So first I am finding slope of AD, which will be tan 60, which is root 3, because it's on the right hand side, so root 3. Yeah, say AD parallel to BC, so therefore slope of BC M is also root 3, and therefore equation of BC now, point slope form, y minus y1 mx minus x1. Slope is known, substitute the point 7 and 5 and you will be sorted. So y minus 5 root 3 again, x minus 7. So I'll get y minus 5 root 3x minus 7 root 3. So root 3x minus y and minus 5 plus 7 root 3. We managed to get the first equation. Behind there is a possibility they must have gone into decimals, but you don't have to bother. No, they've not got into decimals. So this is the same answer behind. Stick to this format. Okay, that's a good format. Let's work out for the second one, that is DC. So for DC now, so slope Slope of DC obviously equals to slope of x-axis since it's parallel to x-axis. So you say slope of x-axis, and slope of x-axis is always 0. So slope is now known to us. Let's find the equation of DC. Y minus y1 mx minus x1. Come on, substitute this and get me the answer. So y minus y1 is 5. Same point C because that lies on DC as well. 0 into x minus 7. Anything into 0 is 0. So y minus 5 is 0. So y is equal to 5. That's the equation of DC. See, you can see parallel to x. So obviously it is going to hit somewhere on y, which is at 5. And therefore the equation is y is equal to 5. How many are able to get this? You will enjoy this topic if your basics are clear. If your basics are not clear, go through the first video again and then come back. Okay. Next, 11th. Equation of the line passing through origin and point of intersection of these two lines. So origin is 0, 0. So one point is known to you. Second point is the point of intersection. How to get the point of intersection? Simultaneous. So apply simultaneous, get second point. Once you get 2 points, how will you get the equation? You are expert now. If 2 points are known, find the slope and then point slope form. Okay. So minus plus minus cancels. So I get 3y is equal to 3. So y becomes 1. Substituting y in the second equation. So x minus y is 4. So x is 5. So therefore the point is 5 comma 1. Now 2 points are 5 comma 1 and the origin 0, 0. You got to find the equation of this. So first let's find the slope m, y minus y1, x minus x1. So I get it as 1 by 5. Once I get the slope as 1 by 5, let's get the equation. So equation of line y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1, I am taking this. This is easy, 0, 0. You can pick any one, the answer remains the same. So don't bother. 1 by 5 x minus 0. 5 goes on the other side, so 5y, and x minus 0 becomes x1. So x minus 5y equals to 0 is the equation of this line. Can you try with 5 and 1 over here and see if you get the same answer? Who's trying it for me, please? Yeah, we're just trying to understand whether our logics are correct or no. Let me check. If I take this one as x1 y1, so 1 by 5 x minus 5. So 5y minus 5 x minus 5. So I get x minus 5y 0. Did I manage to get the same answer? You're not supposed to do both, huh? Do any one, that is enough. I'm just trying to show you that whichever point you take, the answer remains the same. Next one, 12th. 12th is again an interesting one. Pause, read, try and then come back. Equation of median through A. Median means hitting the midpoint, let's say M. So this is the midpoint and this is your line AB. Get the equation of this line. Median through AB. So that is the first part and then you have a second part also. So if you want to get the equation of this one, you will have to first get the coordinates of M. Once you get the coordinates, 2 points are known, then their slope. Once you get the slope, then point slope form. Okay. So first let's get M. So for M, x will be what? Minus 2 plus 0 by 2. So minus 1, and y will be 3 plus 1 by 2. So 4 by 2, so 2. So therefore point M becomes minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is point M. Now we are trying to get the slope of AM. So you say slope of AM, that will be what? 7 minus 2. And let me recheck. This one is correct, this one is correct. So 7 minus 2, 4 plus 1. So that is 5 by 5, 1. Once I got the slope, now equation of AM. So that will be y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1. You can take any 1 point, so I am taking m, that is 2. Slope is 1, x minus minus 1, so plus 1. So I'll get y minus 2, x plus 1. So x minus y minus 3. I hope we are correct. Can I just check please? So sum number 12. The answer is x minus y plus 3. Correct. So we are right. Now we are trying to get the second one. Equation of line through B parallel to AC. So through B is this line which is parallel to AC. How will I get the equation of this? So I already know one point B. If I get the slope, I am sorted. How to get the slope? Parallel to AC, that means slopes are equal. So let's find slope of AC first. So slope of AC, that will be 7 minus 1 upon 4 minus 0. So 7 minus 1, 6 by 4, 3 by 2. So I got the slope. And now equation. So equation will be y minus y1 mx minus x1. So I am taking the point B, which is 3. Slope is 3 by 2. X minus x1 will be 2. So plus 2. Right? So what will happen now? 2 goes on the other side. So 2y minus 6 and 3x plus 6. So I will get 3x minus 2y minus 12 as my equation. Let's see if the answer is matched or no. So this is sum number 12. Guys, we are correct. Great job. We are doing it very well today. Good one. Let's go with the next one. Sum number 14. Anyone who gets this, I will be impressed. You get one chocolate from me. Come on. Pause the video, try, come back and tell me if you got it. So A and B are 2 points. C, D, the question says find the equation of the line perpendicular dropped from C to AB. That means this line is perpendicular to AB. Get the equation of this, right? So both are perpendicular. To get the equation of this line, I need a point and the slope. How to get the slope? AB will help me for that because they are perpendicular. So first let's get slope of AB. That's the first target. So y2 minus y1. So 4 minus 3 and 1 minus 2. So I get 1 by minus 1. So answer is minus 1. And now if this is minus 1, so you say CD perpendicular to AB. Therefore M1 into M2 is minus 1. So M1 is minus 1, M2 minus 1. So M2 will be 1. So I got the slope of this line as 1. Now getting the equation of CD is very simple. Y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1 is 2. Slope is 1. X minus x1 is plus 1. So I'll get y minus 2 x plus 1. So x minus y minus 3. Are we correct? Let me check. 14th. Is the answer correct? Yes, it is correct, guys. How many got it? Brilliant. I told you I'll give you a chocolate. When we meet, I'll try and definitely do that. Remind me that you got this sum by then. Yeah? Great job. Good going, guys. Let's go with the next one. 15th, and girls as well. X-intercept, Y-intercept. Find the equation. I already told you if x-intercept is minus 4. Therefore, point on x-axis. What will that be? Minus 4, 0. And point on y-axis. What will that be? 0, 6, because y-intercept is 6. Now that you got 2 points, you are master with this. Come on, hit it. First get the slope and then point slope. You want to be a little lazy and fast, so I'll give you a new technique to get the equation of line directly. Y minus y1, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. What have I done this? This is point slope form. Instead of m, I have written the 2-point form here. Means we are going to find the slope directly here instead of finding it separately, and then gradually we'll get the answer direct. So you can do this directly also if you want, or you can do it by the way we were doing right till now. So y minus y1, I am considering this as y1, which is 0. y2 minus y1, so now I am considering this as y2. I can change it. So 0 minus 6 minus 4 minus 0, and x minus x1 should be 4. So only y minus 6 minus 4, x plus 4 cancels, 3s are 2s are. So 2y equals to 3x plus 12. So 3x minus 2y minus 12. Yeah, so I got my equation directly. We've done it directly. That was a risk. Let's check if our risk is worth. It's correct. It's correct. Good job. Did you get it now? So either you can do it directly or find slope separately and then substitute in this. That's entirely your call. I leave it to you how you are comfortable. You can stick to that. 18th. Find the equation of the line through this and intersects 5 and the intercept of 5 on y-axis. So if the intercept is 5 on y-axis, therefore what is the point on y-axis? It's the same thing what we did just now. Point on y-axis will be 0, 5. Now that you know 2 points, find slope, get the equation. So I am now going back to the previous method. First the slope. So 5 minus 3, 0 minus 1. So 2 by minus 1 minus 2. And now equation y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1, I am taking this as y1 by 2 minus 2 x minus 0. So y minus 5 minus 2x, this is gone. So 2x plus y equals to 5. I'm getting the same answer. If you're really getting same answers, that means you've already become pro with this. You have already got a good hand on this and I'm really impressed. 20th, again diagrammatic question, simple, don't worry. P is 1 point given, inclination is given. They first say find slope. Damn simple, inclination is given. So you say slope m is equal to tan 45. So what is tan 45? 1. Now the equation of the line. So equation will be y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y1 y2 x1 y1 is there. So 3 1 into x minus 5. So I will get this x minus 5. So x stays there, y comes here, 5 goes there, I get this as 2. So I've got the equation. And now they say find this point Q. Now Q is lying on y-axis. That means it is y-intercept. That way also you can find, or you say since it's lying on y-axis, say that it is 0 comma y. Whichever method you want, you can apply. Both methods possible. I am saying point, I'll use y is equal to mx method. So y is equal to mx. So y there and this over here, correct? I kept y here and 2 I got them here. So y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore y intercept c is equal to minus 2. Therefore point on y-axis, which is q, becomes 0 comma minus 2. I find this method easy and faster. That's why I am using this. You can use whichever method you want. You will get the answer as same. So don't bother about that, right? What you can do is you can say point is 0 comma y and substitute 0 and y in this. You will get y and then get it back. I already taught you in the last summer. 22nd, this is easy. First get the centroid. You remember centroid? Centroid is not the center of the triangle. Centroid is the point where the three medians intersect. Okay. Right now don't get into it. Centroid formula apply karo and get your answer. So for centroid it will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So 10 plus 1 11 by 3. Likewise y will be 4 plus 2 plus 5 by 3. So 9 10 11 by 3. So therefore point, let's call the centroid as G. So G is 11 by 3, 11 by 3. So we got the first answer, that is the centroid. Yeah. Now equation of the line through the centroid and parallel to AB like this. So if it is parallel to AB, obviously what you are going to do? Absolutely, the slopes are equal. Once you get the slope, then apply point slope form. So first slope of AB. So slope of AB is 1 4 and B I messed up over here 3 and 2 I guess. Yeah. So 2. So 4 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. So that is 2 by minus 2 minus 1. And therefore slope of line parallel to AB through G is also minus 1. So now equation y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So y1, obviously both are the same, 11 by 3. Slope is minus 1, x minus 11 by 3. So you'll have to take the LCM. So first let's open the bracket. Y minus 11 by 3 minus x plus 11 by 3. Now the LCM. So this will be 3y minus 11 minus 3x plus 11. So 3x comes here, 3y is there only, minus 11 goes there, becomes 22. So that should be the equation of the line through G parallel to AB. Tell us whether it is correct. It is correct. Brilliant. We are making no mistakes today. Great job. That means the exercise is simple. Last one, 23rd. Come on. Without my help, everyone, you're going to give me your best. This is section formula combined with equations. They say P is a point with the ratio 2:3. Find the equation of this line. So for that, first you'll have to find the coordinates of P, then slope, and then point slope. Okay. So how will I get the coordinates of P? Obviously section formula. So for P, x is equal to 2:3. You remember that cross thing. So 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3, that is mn, correct? So -6 plus 21 will give me 15 by 5, that should be 3. Let's find y. So y will be what? 2 by 4, 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3, so that should be 8 minus 3, 5 by 5, so 1. So therefore point P is what? 3 comma 1. Once I got this point P as 3 comma 1, find the slope. So slope of BP, yeah. So y2 minus y1, so I am taking 1 minus 1, 3 minus 4, so 0. That means this is going to be parallel to x-axis, I think, yeah. So slope is 0, so therefore equation of BP. So what will be the equation? Y minus y1 mx minus x1. So y minus y1, I am considering this 0 into x minus 3. Anything into 0 is 0, 1 goes on the other side. So the equation should be y is equal to 1. I don't want the last sum to go wrong, and it is correct. Yeah. I hope you got a good hand on this exercise. You enjoyed the video. Homework sum number 2, 5, 1, 6, 13, 15 part 3, 17 and 21. Please do your homework honestly. If you do that, you will get a good hand on this, and then exercise D and E will be very simple for you. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Stay safe and pray for everyone.
Hope you had a lovely mathematics experience with the Rough Book, our learning companion.